The top 5 reasons why cats love each other. 1. Cats groom each other to strengthen their bond and show affection through mutual care. 2. They engage in playful activities, showcasing their friendship through shared fun and excitement. 3. Cats often sleep together, providing warmth and comfort, enhancing their emotional connection. 4. They communicate through body language, like purring and tail positioning, expressing love and trust. 5. Companionship between cats reduces stress and anxiety, promoting overall well-being and happiness. Subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of cats.